Hello everyone, we have started, we are in the last phase of the nomenclature, that is we have started aromatic nomenclature and we have done up to arenes. Just see, now we will go for, next is hydroxy derivative. Hydroxy derivative. So hydroxy derivative of benzene. Okay, so here basically the, so if you just see hydroxy derivative meaning, nuclear is right, the nuclear hydroxy derivative are called phenols. Like here, this one with OH, this is called phenol. Nuclear hydroxy derivative of benzene is called phenol. Okay, already we have done this. So phenol is this. Now let's say if I have to name this second one, that is OH CH3 OH CH3, similarly OH CH3. So its name will be again 2-methylphenol, 2-methylphenol or orthomethylphenol, or it is also called orthocresol. Cresol, again it's a trivial name. Many times in benzene derivatives we get questioned by the trivial name also. So it is 2-methylphenol or orthocresol. Here 3-methylphenol, 3-methylphenol or paracresol, sorry, metacresol. This is ortho, this is meta. So metacresol, and similarly this name. Okay. Now aromatic alcohols. This is phenol. Next is aromatic alcohol. So please write nuclear hydroxy derivative. Nuclear hydroxy derivative with side chain substituted. Nuclear hydroxy derivative with side chain substituted with hydroxy group. Side chain substituted with hydroxy group called aromatic alcohols. Like here, this one is, this is aromatic alcohol. Its name is phenyl methyl alcohol. You can name this phenyl, again this is branch, so phenyl methanol, sorry not methyl, methanol, or it is also called benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol, that is also the name. So phenyl methanol, methanol because now this becomes my parent chain. ये parent chain है, so this is phenyl group, this is one carbon meth and OH attached, it's a methanol. So it's a phenyl methanol or benzyl alcohol. Okay. Similarly, the next compound you can name it OH here. So this is 1, 2. So its name will be 2-phenyl ethanol. 2-phenyl, 1-ethanol to 2-phenyl 1-ethanol. Okay. Or this can be also termed as alpha beta. So beta phenyl ethyl alcohol. So this can be also write beta phenyl ethyl alcohol. Okay. Next is this name. So you can also write here 1. This is 1, 2. So this is 1 phenyl ethane 1 all. 1 phenyl ethane 1 all. This can be the name of this. Next is aromatic ether. Next is aromatic ether. Aromatic ether इन जगह ट्रिवियल नेम पे भी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं डायरेक्ट, ठीक है. तो OCH3 दिस इज फर्स्ट. So it's a, you can first write methoxybenzene. Again this group is methoxybenzene. Okay. This is also called anisole. Trivial name. This is also called methyl phenyl ether. Methyl phenyl ether. Okay. This name here, this is ethoxy, its name will be ethoxybenzene. Okay, this is also called ethyl phenyl ether. Ethyl phenyl ether. So please write. I'm not writing. This one is there. It's a, so now this will become phenoxy and this is benzene. So this is phenoxybenzene. Okay, or diphenyl ether. Diphenyl ether. Okay. Next is aldehyde. Next is aldehyde. So CHO. This is first one. So its name is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Okay. Next is so this becomes 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. This is 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Okay. This is also called salicylaldehyde. This is salicylaldehyde. Okay. This is there. Next is, ये ट्रिवियल नेम पे भी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. You have to keep in mind. Again, एक दिन में याद नहीं होगा. एक दिन में याद होने वाला नहीं है. You have to keep doing the revision. Okay. So remember this. This is again. So now this is main functional group. So now this is my parent chain. So 1, 2. So 2-phenyl ethanol. Its name is 2-phenyl ethanol. Try this. One, two, three. So 3-phenyl propanol. Okay. Next is ketone. Next is ketones. कीटोन में you have this is again 1 2, so 1 phenyl ethane 1 one. So this can be 1 phenyl, because parent chain of phenyl is a branch. If you remember, just phenyl is taken as branch, C6H5 taken as branch. So 1 phenyl ethane 1 one. Okay. This is also, you can call this as a phenyl methyl ketone, or let's say alphabetic methyl, you get methyl, this is phenyl, and इसके लिए ketone, this can be also the name, or this is also called acetophenone. So these are the, means this is also very common, very famous, this is also very common, this is less common, although it is a IUPAC name, but it is less common. Okay. Next is this one. It's a diphenyl methanone. ये दोनों हो गए, तो this name can be diphenyl methanone. Okay. Or diphenyl ketone, like here methyl phenyl ketone, so this is diphenyl ketone, or this is also called benzophenone. Okay. Next is this one. So this is you can name this. This is a 1 2 3. So 1 phenyl propanone, propane 1 one. Next is nitro compounds, nitrobenzene. Next is nitro compounds, that is this one, nitrobenzene. This one is nitrobenzene. यहाँ पे this is 1, this is 3, so 1,3 dinitrobenzene. You can also write this 1,3 dinitrobenzene, or meta dinitrobenzene. And this is one of the very important compound. This is 2 4 1 2 3 4 5 2 4 6 trinitrophenol. This is 2 4 6 trinitrophenol. Its trivial name is very common, picric acid. We call this as a picric acid. This is very strong acid. In organic compound we have got acid which is there, that is strong. It is not that much strong, but this is very strong acid. Next is amines. Amines, that is aryl amine. So we have here, so this is benzene amine, or it is also aniline, and aniline is very common name. So in aromatic compounds, common names are very famous. So aniline is the common name here. Next is NH2CH3. So this is 4 methyl benzenamine or 4-methyl aniline, either way, or para methyl aniline. So either 4-methyl benzenamine. Okay, this is the name. Next is alkyl amines. We have here open chain, this is here. So 1-phenyl methanamine, 1-phenyl methanamine, all is phenyl methanamine, or we can also call benzyl amine. This is also benzyl amine. Okay, this is this one. This is 1,2. So 2-phenyl ethanamine. Okay, that is very common. Next is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Again, already we have done this. This is एक तो नाम लिखा था बेंजीन कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, बेंजीन कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, और its trivial name is very common, that is benzoic acid. Its trivial name is very common, benzoic acid. Okay. Next is, and इसी के डिफरेंट अलग अलग नाम फिर हम लोग रखते हैं हम लोग. That is benzoic acid having substitution. We have CH3, then you have got, let's say, OH. If I take the question here, then next is this one. ये सारे जो मैं ले रहा हूँ सारे कॉमन कंपाउंड्स है जो हम लोग को ऑर्गेनिक में आएंगे. तो ये तो इसका क्या हो जाएगा, तो 2-methyl benzoic acid, 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, है ना. 2-methyl benzoic acid is also called orthotoluic acid. This is again 1,2. So 2-methyl benzoic acid. So orthotoluic acid, also called orthotoluic acid. This is 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, or it is also called salicylic acid. जैसे वो था salicylaldehyde, this was salicylic acid. Okay, so we have salicylic acid. This one is 1,2 benzene dicarboxylic acid, 1,3 benzene dicarboxylic acid, 1,4 benzene dicarboxylic acid. So those names are there here. Okay. So this is 1,2 benzene carboxylic acid. This is also called phthalic acid. Phthalic acid. P is silent here. So phthalic acid. So this is 1,3 benzene dicarboxylic. This is called isophthalic acid. And this is 1,4 benzene dicarboxylic acid. Tetraphthalic, terrephthalic acid. Okay. Next is acid derivative of benzene. So acid derivative of benzene, the first one is acid chloride, याद होगा सबको. This is COCl. So this is called benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. This is also called benzene carbonyl chloride. Benzene carbonyl chloride. Okay. Next is this is benzamide. Benzamide. Okay. और benzene carboxamide. Okay. So this is also, it's not very common name. So benzene carboxamide. Okay. Next is this ester है ये. So this is methyl benzoate. पहला नाम इसका methyl benzoate. Okay. That can be also called, ये again ये तो क्या common name. अगर ये ester है तो again you can also write its name methyl benzene carboxylate. This name is methyl benzene carboxylate. So methyl benzene carboxylate. Okay. This is phenyl acetate. पहला नाम इसका phenyl and ये हो गया acetate. So this is phenyl acetate. Sorry, phenyl दो है तो इथेनोएट. इसको acetate भी हम लोग बोलते हैं वैसे. phenyl acetate. Acetate is not a high patient, it's a trivial name. So that's why I removed this. So acetate मतलब तुम्हारा this group is called acetate. Okay. So this group is called acetate. Next is so here we write N-phenyl. This is N-phenyl ethanamide. This is branch, so this is N-phenyl and 2 है तो ethanamide. Okay. Next is this is N-methyl benzenamide. This is benzyl group, so this is benzenamide. So N-methyl benzenamide. Next question is so just see both sides it's same, so this is called benzoic anhydride. If you remember, both sides of an anhydride group we have the same number of carbons, so we write only one time. So benzoic, this is benzoic acid, so benzoic anhydride. Okay. Next is sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid, the first question is so this is benzene sulfonic acid, SO3H is sulfonic acid, so this is benzene sulfonic acid. Next question in the same sequence. This one, so this is benzene 1,3-disulfonic acid and this is 4-methyl benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. Next, last one is cyanide and isocyanide. Cyanide and isocyanide. So that is benzene attached with C triple bond N. So this is benzene nitrile. I hope some people know this group is nitrile group. So this is benzene nitrile. Or you can also call this is phenyl group. So phenyl cyanide. This is also referred as cyanide. So phenyl cyanide. Okay, the last one is NC. This is isocyanide. So again, benzene isonitrile or benzene isocyanide. Okay, this is phenyl isocyanide, phenyl cyanide, benzene nitrile, benzene isonitrile, and phenyl isocyanide. Okay. So these are the names which is very common here. The next part next section is naming of bicyclo compounds. So we go for naming of, I'll take some questions directly. Bicyclo, because with this idea we are in position to bicyclo meaning two rings having two common points, means one ring two carbons, second ring two carbons, they are common, that is bicyclo. Like here this is bicyclo. Okay, कि टू मीन्स दोनों रिंग के लिए दो कॉमन पॉइंट है, और ये ऐसा भी हो सकता है, दिस इज ऑल्सो बाईसाइक्लो, कि दोनों रिंग के लिए टू कार्बन इज अ कॉमन पॉइंट, दिस वन दिस वन. हाउ डू वी नेम दिस? सो बाईसाइक्लो वी राइट बाईसाइक्लो इज अ प्रीफिक्स. Then we give the numbering. Numbering always start from the bridge. It is called bridge carbon. This is called bridge carbon. This is called bridge carbon. Okay, so it's a bicyclo. Then we go towards the side which has got more number of carbon. In this case, both sides is same. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So you go either side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. तो बाईसाइक्लो 4, 4, इधर भी 4, इधर भी 4, ये कार्बन छोड़ के मीन्स द ब्रिज कार्बन को छोड़ के जो नंबर ऑफ कार्बन है दैट नंबर वी राइट हियर. तो 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and between the bridge carbon is there any carbon? It is not, so we write 0. तो बाईसाइक्लो 4, 4, 0, total carbon is 10 तो deck and between carbon carbon single bond, so ANE. तो bicyclodecane. In this case also we have to number, let's say 1, 2, again यहाँ से bridge से and then we go towards the side which contains more number of carbon. So यहाँ से 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this becomes bicyclo. Then first we write again 7, then 8 here, because between bridge carbon also we have a carbon, so there also we have to give the numbering at last. So here bicyclo, it can be the side which contains more number of carbons, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4, then second side 1, then between the bridge carbon 1, so total number of carbon is 8, so oct, and between carbon carbon single bond is ane. यहाँ पे तुमको here though you have to count the total carbon either side of bridge carbon as well as between the bridge carbon, that is also counted in the parent name. Okay, so try this one. So in this bicyclo we write the number of carbon decreasing order. Okay. देखो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं. So here I will do one naming here. Let's say I will do for this. So numbering starts from the bridge carbon. So bridge carbon is 1. Then we go toward the side which contains more number of carbon. Again here also the lowest summation rule, everything will be followed. Okay. So देखो यहाँ से गया मैं तो 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. this side 3 carbon, 1 2 3, this side 1 2 3 4, so that's why I have gone this side, then I have gone this side in a sequence. So we start numbering from the bridge carbon, we go towards the side which contains more number of carbon. So this side is more number of carbon, this side is less number of carbon. Then 8 and then 9 here in between. So first we write the branch name. Branch is what? 9 bromo, 9 bromo, 6 methyl, then bicyclo, then bicyclo, then 4, इस साइड 4 है कार्बन, 1 2 3 4, सॉरी 3 है, इधर 3 है, बोथ साइड इट्स 3 है ना. ओके, ये नंबरिंग रॉन्ग है बिकॉज ये ब्रिज कार्बन नहीं, यहाँ पे 3 ही कार्बन है, यहाँ भी 3 1 2 3. सो you can go either side, but you have to choose the side which contains lowest summation rule. Okay, so I will have to start. So somebody can start like this, somebody can this is CS3. So somebody can start numbering like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So again, which one will be followed? So again, lowest summation, again branch ko lowest summation, so this will be followed. So it is 2 9 bromo 2 methyl, bicyclo 3 3 1, इधर भी 3 बीच में 1, then so 3 3 1, then you will have total number of carbon is 9, so non, and between carbon carbon single bond, so A and E. So this way you can name this compound. Next is spiro compound. Spiro compound which has, जैसे in bicyclo we have 2 carbons attached both sides. In spiro we have only 1 carbon attached to the 2 ring, like here, like this. This is spiro. Like this. In spiro we go by increasing number. Means first we write the number of carbon, smaller number of carbon, then we go for the larger number of carbon. So here, so we give them here both sides same, so 1 2 3 4 5. So we give numbering like this. We start the numbering towards the side which contains less number of carbon. जैसे यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here we use spiro, then 2, इधर 2 कार्बन, इधर 2 कार्बन, 2 2, इसमें 2,2 या 2.2 भी कुछ लोग लिखते हैं, 2,2 भी लिखते हैं. So total is 5, तो pent between carbon carbon single bond A and E. In this case, spiro 2, 1 2 3 4 dot या comma कुछ भी, this hept between carbon carbon single bond A and E. This is spiro. Remaining rules are same. Okay. So these are the some names that you have to. So this way we have completed the nomenclature. Again, at last if I say this, again organic is very vast. Organic carbon forms millions and millions of compounds. So it's very difficult to make a rule for all the compounds of carbon. We have made a rule, general rule, which is very common in day-to-day life. Some questions might come where we won't be able to write its name right now, because that is not possible at all. Okay, remember it. Although we have learned the name, but we are not going to cover all the names of organic compound. common names will be covered. Okay, the names of aliphatic, aromatic of simple shape can be covered. Otherwise it will be a lecture, means whole of 1 year will be just for a nomenclature only. Okay, so there are many shapes where the common name is preferred. Okay, so there it's not advisable to write the names of all the organic compound, because that all the rules are not there. We have learned only the rules which is very common to which is common to the compounds. Okay, which is common to the compounds. So this is the limitation of nomenclature. So after learning this, don't say I can write any organic compound name. No, you cannot write, because there are millions and millions of compounds of many different shapes. You cannot write. But basic names you can write, which is there in our course, we can write.